I'm gonna start off this really quick product review with a question. Does your BMW have a leaking power steering system? You don't need to answer that, it's a rhetorical question. Of course it's leaking. Hey YouTube, Gareth here with another really quick product review. What we have here is a power steering hose kit, a comprehensive one at that, for your e36 323, 323IS, 328, and 328IS. It includes a brand new power steering reservoir, which you should be replacing anytime you're doing a power steering service. This has an integrated filter. No way to service that filter, you have to replace the entire reservoir. So we have the reservoir. We have our suction hose. This goes from the reservoir to the rack. We have our pressure hose, which goes from the pump to the inlet on the rack. And we also have our return hose and cooling coil, kind of all in one, but comes out of the rack, works its way around, cools it down, goes back up to the reservoir. Included in this kit as well are all the replacement aluminum crush washers you're gonna need, brand new banjo bolts, because while you might be able to reuse them, depending on how much contamination is in your power steering system, these could be pretty gunked up. And we also include the required clamps that you're gonna need to put everything together. All right, this has been another really quick product review. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave it for us in the comment box below. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you for the next one.